Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing a minimal, isolated environment. Install Tor browser and verify its signature so you ensure integrity. This prevents tampered builds. Create or use a separate user account and disable extensions and plugins because they leak identifiers. Once installed, connect from a reliable network. Avoid shared corporate or hospital Wi-Fi and prefer a trusted hotspot. Make sure to set Tor browser security to at least safest for fingerprint reduction. This trade-off reduces features, but improves. Next, you harden the browser and network settings. Set the security slider to safest so JavaScript, fonts, and risky media are disabled. This lowers fingerprinting risk. If your ISP blocks Tor, enable bridges and pick OBS 4 or Meek to disguise traffic. Bridges help you connect. Once connected, avoid signing into accounts tied to your real identity. When necessary, use a separate, encrypted email created over Tor. Also, make sure to route all traffic through Tor browser only. Do not proxy system apps. Finally, you adopt safe behaviors and no quick fixes. Never torrent over Tor because BitTorrent clients bypass Tor and reveal your IP. Instead, use non-Tor alternatives. Clear cookies and request new identity between unrelated tasks. Reboot the browser periodically to drop state. If something goes wrong, check your system clock and time zone. Tor requires accurate time, change or rotate bridges, and try a different exit relay. If you still cannot connect, restart your network device and reassess your local firewall settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.